I've made a mistake here. I've strayed away from the template, and I think that's because the first one went so well. I just went for it this time and I was a little bit too careless. I needed to pay a bit more attention. So now I've got a couple of options. I could use this other panel here, which was for the back, or what I can do, and I've just cut this piece of wood here. I'm going to glue this in, trim it up flush, and then run the router through it again. And if that looks okay, I'll stick with this. If not, then I'll use that back panel and make a new back panel. I haven't thought this through properly, and there's a bit of a problem. What it is this panel here that I just cut, the grain runs in the wrong direction. It runs this way. This panel will try to expand out sideways, and when it does, it will push the two side pieces outwards. And the problem there is the tambour door. I've just got this bit of scrap just to show, because the grain runs in the opposite direction. It will run along in those grooves, and when the two side pieces move outwards, the door will come out of the grooves, or it could. So to fix that, I just need to change the panel the other way around. But as you can see, it's not long enough now. But I've had another thought as well. The back panel that I was going to use here, I'm not going to use that anymore, because I'm going to use the door itself as the back, and that back panel I'm just going to glue onto the end of this bottom panel here. All the parts are finished, but before I assemble it, I need to reduce the length of this tambour door. I made it a bit bigger than what I needed intentionally. The idea is to attach the door to the drawer, so when you open the drawer, it opens the lid at the same time. And that's actually trickier than what I thought it was going to be, because if I open this drawer up to its furthest point, which would be about here, then the door only comes about halfway along the top, which isn't enough. So I've got to take some off. I need to glue the last slat to the back of the drawer, but the problem is that needs to be horizontal and it needs to run with the plane of the drawer. And I could do that if I only took 3 slats off, but then, as I say, the door still only opens so far, and I wanted to try and get it all the way over to 5. So to do that, I think I'm going to have to extend this slot along here and just take a chisel and take a little bit out there.